In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Indeed to enhance your job search effectively. Whether you're on the hunt for a new job or aiming to update your profile, these few steps can help enhance your visibility to potential employers. First, let's start by heading over to Indeed. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and enter Indeed into the search bar, or you can directly type in Indeed.com. Upon reaching the site, you'll arrive at the home page, which is your gateway to millions of job listings or your personal job-seeking dashboard. Next, you'll need to access your personal profile. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll need to enter your credentials, your email and password, and then you'll be directed to your profile page. This area is crucial as it houses all your personal information and the details that potential employers look at. It's always a good practice to periodically review this page to ensure all your information is current and accurately reflects your skills and experience. Once you're inside your profile, look for the section labeled Improve Your Job Matches. This section allows you to refine and enhance how your profile appears to employers and aligns your account with job opportunities that are tailored to your expertise and interests. Within this segment, you'll discover an option for skills tests. If you see this feature and it's available to you, I highly recommend taking advantage of it. The skills tests on Indeed can significantly boost your profile's attractiveness to employers. They assess your capability in various areas, and having completed assessments gives your profile an added layer of credibility. Employers see this as a proactive approach and often favor candidates who have taken the time to prove their competencies. After identifying the skills tests link, you'll simply click on it to begin the assessment. A variety of tests related to different roles and skill sets are available, so select the ones that best showcase your abilities related to the job you seek. And there you have it, you're done. By following these steps, you become more than just another candidate. You position yourself as a standout applicant with verified skills. Always remember that staying active and engaged with your profile keeps you at the forefront of potential opportunities. Make sure to regularly check back for updates or additional tests that can further enhance your profile. Thank you for spending time learning how to make the most of Indeed today. Keep these tips in mind as you continue your job search. And remember, the key to success lies in how well you present yourself in virtual spaces.